described his driving as like being on 3 casters.
Castor oil?
No, I don't know. I actually mentioned that to him, so he knows I was likely to say that. But Rick Wood's up about 2 or 3 cars already. He's well ahead of the safety van on the pickup truck. Just thinking, when you see that pickup truck and ran over the rear of Nelson Piquet, he's not had a lot, Junior. He's not had a lot of luck, has he, recently? When he was in M3. Right, here they come down to us, and where's my pen gone? There it is. Right, so, whoa, big lockups.
Big lockup, what's he driving?
It's Ron Lockup. 1 Spencer, 5 Chalmers, Garnet 80, 69, 44 is Pete Davis, isn't it?
69 is Chris Maris.
Yeah, 69 is Maris, isn't there? So that's the top 5, but Pete Davis is really harassing him. Where's Rick Wood? Right, Rick Wood's a third of the way through the field, I think, already.
Well, I'll tell you what.
He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars behind him. Yeah, already, and that's not completed the full back. Whoops. There's Dobson going, he's trying to wreck his XR2. Uh-oh, he has done. Oh, he's rolled it now. I should have stayed at home and watched England.
I've had about as much luck as England. Yeah. Somebody kicked the Ingram into the pits.
Is that the orange Mazda?
Yeah.
The red Fiesta.
Fiesta, yeah.
Here's the front 2, it's Chalmers now. 5 from the Lokasaki. Then John Garnett really peddling this Porsche. We can stretch his legs, and it's Pete Davis 44, 69 Maris. 33, 26, 46, and right, Suzuki Cappuccino going through there. So,
have they just abandoned the coach?
The coach?
Well, he's a coach type, isn't he?
Yeah. There's no passengers in it. Well, at the moment, I don't know. I mean, it's dangerous if somebody's gone off.
Right.
Gap to 44 Pete Davis now, he's charged his way through, and that's Cam Forbes, I think, in 33, isn't it? Then Garnett in 80.
No, 33 Steve Owens.
Is it Steve Owens? Cam Forbes is behind Maris, isn't it? Yeah, it's behind Chris Maris. So change around there. Garnett had a very, very good start with the pokey Porsche, but the pokey Porsche now has just disappeared. Rick Wood is mixing it in the field. I haven't been bothered to start my watch, so
right,
he's got plenty of time.
Clean up with us again. separated by 0.4 seconds as he gets to third place. Very well, John Garner in number 26. The other Subaru Peter Isham.
65's pulled off here, the Alabama coloured Escort of Colin Robinson. Fairly in the same position anyway.
I think he might even be going straight into the paddock actually.
Then holding this trio with Murray's.
Ringwood does pass that.
Well, he's done what we've done. We've done 4 laps. You reckon 12?
Well, we're down just on 15 minutes. So
yeah, so in the quarter of the race, he's well over halfway up the field now.
Yeah.
It's always good value, and I know he's a serious sponsor, but he always either deliberately or always does these little problems.
Well, if problem was he wasn't here this morning.
Was it not? Right, still Chalmers. Right, now we've got these little back markers. Again, Owen, number 33, is ahead of 44.6. John Garnett, and carving his way through them.
Into the pit, comes the dead card video, Chris Allenson.
Yeah,